to dock on the bay in North Topsail Beach, North Carolina. So we're going to go first over into the area. This is where you enter. The garage is down here. There's also a fridge down there. The first bedroom has a king size bed that is easily accessible, and it has an included bathroom that is attached to it with a double sink, and there are two mirrors that are also there. Obviously, you've got your toilet and then a gorgeous walk-in shower. So this one has both a handheld shower head as well as an attached one. And then the rental does include shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here, which is a little bit unusual, but I kind of love it. The shampoo, by the way, I enjoyed. The conditioner, not so much. The body wash was fine. Then, as you come back out, you are going to have access to the deck that is on the back of the house. The door just takes a little bit of wiggle. Oops, I locked it instead of unlocking it. So when you step out here, you can see that there are two Adirondack chairs, and oh my word, this view is absolutely gorgeous. Let's just say this is where you're going to be wanting to spend a whole lot of time. So this deck goes all the way across the house, and you're going to have a table with additional chairs, which would be a great place to eat dinner out here, to enjoy a game of cards. And again, I just cannot get over this view. And then if you look, there is the pier that's out there with a porch swing. Coming back inside, going out through this room, then there is a full laundry room that you have access to. Make sure you bring your soap and so forth, but that is there for you. And then there's a sitting room that is right on the other side next to that bedroom. And then coming in, this is the third bedroom that again has a lovely king size bed. You've got closet space, and this bedroom also has an attached bathroom with a double sink. Coming in now to the third bedroom. This one is designed for kids. You're going to have two sets of bunk beds. They are both twin over full, so you can sleep six people in there. And then this also does include an attached bathroom. Then coming into the fourth bedroom, and this is still on the same level, you've got another king size bed. Sorry, that's a full size bed, queen size bed. And also coming into the attached bathroom where you've got plenty of space to do everything that you need. And again, all these bathrooms are including having the shampoo conditioner, and the counters are plenty big. Let's head on upstairs now. So I will say these stairs are a little bit steep, but I do appreciate the fact that everything has the child safe, so there's ways to close it down. This is the bedroom that is over that first bedroom that I showed you. And again, looks very similar in terms of having that king size bed. And holy cats, take a look at this bathroom. So since there's not the washing machine over this, this is a much, much larger bathroom that is, let's just say we could move in here, everyone, right? So again, this has access to the deck, and this is another level of the deck. So there are multiple levels to this. So you've got, again, chair to sit out and watch, and I obviously cannot get enough of this view, but it is absolutely amazing. And then you're going to have another table and chairs. So if you want to eat out here or hang out here, this is going to go all the way across. And then you have stairs that allow you to go down from this top level to the second level of the deck. And then there's also a patio down at the very bottom. And each of those also has a lock, so it makes it a little bit more secure for kids. And then again, you've got access to all of those different areas. Coming back out, then this is kind of the main living room area. You have a gas fireplace that is right here, as well as a television that is directly over it. There are a ton of games and puzzles and so forth that are available at the rental free to use. And then there's all of this space to just kind of hang out if you maybe got sunburned or the day isn't cooperating or you just need to relax after you've been busy all day. And then you're going to have your dining room tables. and notice how many tables there are. And then the cutest little thing ever, there's a most adorable little kids table on the front of the house too. I do want to point out that there is another deck out here, and this is the sunrise side of the house. So this is where you're going to want to come and hang out and grab your coffee, maybe a little bit of breakfast if you're not walking on the beach, which is what I actually did every time that I was at this house. And you can see that the ocean is right there. So you're just going to walk across the street where that house is and then head on out to the beach. And it's super easy access. But out here, you've got a table to enjoy, and then we're going to come back into the kitchen. This is a massive, again, gorgeous kitchen with tons of items of exactly what you need. Bring everything that you want. This is just some of our extra little basket stuff that is a just in case for us. You are going to want to bring extra toilet paper or paper towels and so forth. You have your microwave and oven. There is a toaster. There is a blender. This is absolutely a stocked rental, and I really appreciate it. Tons of dishes options and silverware and everything you could possibly want there. There is a coffee maker, more cups and mugs and tumblers, whatever you need. You've got a really nice French door refrigerator that you're going to want to stock, as well as the freezer below it. And then note the rules that are there. There is a ton of cabinet space that again has all sorts of storage stuff. And then coming up here, this is the top part of the level. There's a little loft that's up here that is absolutely adorable. So if you just want to come up here and hang out by yourself, but kind of be by the rest of the family, you've got a desk that you could work at so you can concentrate but still be around everyone else, and then a chair if you want to read, and then you can overlook everything.
When we
This
first
is
got
what
here,
it looks like
down
at the very
base
bottom
or
of the
bottom of the
house.
house.
This
You've
is
got
the patio that I was talking about.
You've got kayak.
You have a way to take your kayaks down to the beach or the bay, and then you've got kayaks themselves. There's also a Traeger, which is a pellet grill that you have access to.
Full-on
then
barbecue grills outside. There's some sand toys
for the kids to play with. Of beach toys for the kids to play with.
And you can go, these stairs go all the way up to the top.
This is the stairs.
So you can walk from the top down.
All the way down.
There is
and then
an
my favorite
shower.
feature, there's
so
an outdoor shower. So if you're coming back from the beach and you're a little sandy or whatever, you can wash out here without taking it all inside the house.
Since it's such a gorgeous day,
just go ahead and hang out in that shower and take your shower for the day. There is also a propane grill that you have access to, so go ahead and use that. And then this is the backyard where you can set up the cornhole or games or whatever you want to do. And then you can walk on down the pier and enjoy your dock, which has that seat at the very end of it. So again, everything is safe for kids. They've done as much as they possibly can. All this is locked up,
and this is the
sun access it without that. There are baby gates in various places and so forth.
So
but let's go ahead and take a walk down this
enjoy the peace during the day.
It is
but then also at night. This is a
walk, which I love because it gets you way out into that bay. And then you've got this little adorable, cute swinging chair to hang out. So grab your coffee in the morning, get some wine or something to enjoy the sunset, because this is where the sunset happens, and then just sit and hang out and enjoy, because that right there is